Random thing pack. Girl. Okay, swipe. Whoa, cool Pokemon. Let's see which one we have. Which one is that? Vulpix? Oh, cool, Vulpix. Let's try it. Okay, that one. Chop, chop. That one. That one. Oh, cool, Snorlax.
Wah, kaya rin tayo minabong.
I'll be honest, I don't really understand.